Companion objects, static-like members in Kotlin classes. In this video, we'll explore one of Kotlin's most important features for creating class-level members. Let's start with the problem companion objects solve. Unlike Java, Kotlin has no static keyword. So how do we create members that belong to the class itself rather than to instances of the class? The answer is companion objects. Here's the basic syntax. Inside a class, we declare a companion object block. Inside this block, we can define functions and properties. For example, we have a function called greet that prints hello from companion. Everything inside the companion object belongs to the class, not to individual instances. Accessing companion object members is straightforward. We can call them directly on the class name, like myClass.greet. No instance is needed. However, we can also call them on an instance if we want. Both approaches work perfectly. Companion objects can contain both properties and constants. Here's a database class with a compile-time constant max connections set to 100, a property DB name set to myDatabase, and a connect function that returns a connection message. Constants use const_val, while regular properties use just val. You can optionally give your companion object a name. Here, we've named it factory. This is useful for clarity and documentation. We can access members using either the companion name, like user.factory.create, or directly through the class name, like user.create. Both work identically. Let's review the key characteristics of companion objects. First, each class can have only one companion object. Second, companion objects have access to private members of the containing class. Third, they're initialized when the class is first loaded, not when instances are created. Finally, companion objects can implement interfaces, making them very flexible. Here's a practical example, implementing the Singleton pattern. The logger class has a private constructor, so it can't be instantiated directly. The companion object manages a single instance and provides a getInstance function. This ensures only one logger instance exists throughout the application. This is a common use case for companion objects in real-world Kotlin development.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.